In this video I'm going to show you how to record using the arpeggiator. In my previously recorded section I have two tracks recorded into, track 1 and 2, and also a pattern section. Let's go ahead and press the play button and preview this. Okay, so now at this time I went ahead and selected a synth section, and I selected to turn on the arpeggio, so I have this type of effect now. So now I'm ready to begin recording. In the track 3 I'm going to press the record button, and I'm going to press track select and press 3. So now I have that selected there, and I can press the start button to begin recording. Press stop there while it saves this. Now let's preview it. You can tell it sounds a little bit off. It didn't quite start on key there. That's okay. We can clear out the track by holding down the track select / mute button and then holding down track 3, and it says, do you want to clear? Press yes to clear it, and yes again, and now it's cleared out. We could start recording again. Another thing I'd like to do is maybe reduce the tempo a little bit, and we can do this by previewing the tempo by pressing the metronome button. If you press it again, it goes away. Now while we're previewing this, we can use the tempo plus and minuses to bring it down or increase it a little bit. You also have a tap tempo function if you want to tap out the beat. And when you tap it out, it'll bring it up to a tempo that's within the time that you press the button. It's a very common feature. You see that on a lot of high-end workstations. Let's go ahead and exit out of this. I want to show you a couple other options with the metronome as well. If we go ahead and hold down metronome, we can change the time signatures. We can also change the relative volume of the metronome and so forth. Okay, so now let's go back to recording our arpeggio again in the track 3 since I cleared it out. I want to preview what I'm going to play this time without recording it. Just play something simple like that. So let's press record, track select, press 3, ready to begin recording. So something like that, we'll press stop and it finishes the recording process, and we're done.